Your mind is the key to unlocking limitless potential. Guide it wisely. Neville Goddard. There is an incredible power that lies within each of us, often overlooked and underestimated. This power is not something external that you must seek out. It is a force that resides within your very mind. The key to unlocking this power is in mastering your thoughts, for it is through your thoughts that you shape your reality. Every thought you think is like a stone cast into the waters of your consciousness, sending ripples that extend far beyond the initial point of impact. These ripples influence your experiences, your interactions, and ultimately the life you live. The truth is, your thoughts are the architects of your destiny. They are the building blocks of your experiences, the foundation upon which your reality is constructed. When you realize this, you begin to understand the importance of taking control of your thoughts. To let your mind wander aimlessly, filled with doubt, fear, or negativity, is to relinquish control over your life. But when you consciously direct your thoughts, choosing to focus on what you desire rather than what you fear, you take the reins of your destiny into your own hands. The first step in taking control of your thoughts is to become aware of them. Many people go through life on autopilot, their minds filled with a constant stream of unconscious thoughts that dictate their actions and reactions. These thoughts are often a reflection of past conditioning, limiting beliefs, and external influences that have been absorbed over time. However, once you become aware of this, you can begin to change the narrative. You can start to choose your thoughts deliberately, replacing those that no longer serve you with ones that align with your true desires and aspirations. This process of mental self-discipline requires persistence and vigilance. It is not enough to occasionally think positive thoughts. You must make it a daily practice to monitor your mental activity and redirect your focus whenever necessary. This might seem challenging at first, but like any skill, it becomes easier with practice. The more you train your mind to think in alignment with your goals, the more natural it will become. One powerful technique for taking control of your thoughts is visualization. By vividly imagining the outcomes you desire, you are programming your mind to bring those outcomes into your reality. Visualization is not just about seeing your goals in your mind's eye, it's about feeling them as if they are already accomplished. When you infuse your thoughts with emotion and conviction, you activate the creative power of your subconscious mind, which begins to work behind the scenes to make your vision a reality. Another essential aspect of mastering your thoughts is the use of affirmations. By repeating these statements regularly, you are reprogramming your mind to believe in your potential and capabilities. However, it's crucial that your affirmations are not just empty words. They must be backed by belief and intention. When you say an affirmation, feel it as truth and let that truth resonate within you. As you continue on this path, you will begin to notice a shift in your experiences. Opportunities that once seemed out of reach will start to present themselves. Challenges that once seemed insurmountable will become stepping stones to your success. This is the power of controlled thought in action. By taking charge of your mental landscape, you are shaping the very fabric of your reality. But what happens when doubt creeps in? Doubt is a natural part of the human experience, but it does not have to derail your progress. When doubt arises, acknowledge it, but do not dwell on it. Instead, reaffirm your commitment to your goals and refocus your thoughts on what you want to achieve. Doubt only has power over you if you allow it to take root in your mind. By consistently choosing faith over doubt, you strengthen your ability to create the life you desire. It is also important to understand that taking control of your thoughts does not mean suppressing or ignoring negative emotions. Emotions are signals from your inner being, and they should be acknowledged and processed. However, you do not have to let them dictate your thoughts or actions. When a negative emotion arises, observe it without judgment, and then consciously choose a thought that aligns with the reality you wish to create. This is not about forcing yourself to be positive all the time, but about maintaining a balanced and empowered state of mind. The journey of mastering your thoughts is one of self-discovery and empowerment. It requires patience, dedication, and a willingness to challenge the old patterns that have held you back. But as you continue to practice, you will find that your mind becomes a powerful ally in the creation of your dreams. You will realize that there are no limits to what you can achieve when you take control of your thoughts and direct them toward your highest aspirations. Every thought you entertain carries with it a vibrational energy that can either uplift or weigh down your existence. This vibrational energy is the essence of creation, the very force that determines the quality of your life. It's not just about positive thinking for the sake of feeling good. It's about aligning your thoughts with the highest frequency of possibility, thereby attracting into your life experiences that resonate with that frequency. Consider this: the universe operates on a principle of cause and effect. Your thoughts are the cause, and your reality is the effect. When you entertain thoughts of abundance, health, and joy, you set in motion a chain of events that bring these very experiences into your life. Conversely, when your mind is consumed with thoughts of lack, illness, or despair, you inadvertently create circumstances that mirror these negative states. This is why mastering your thoughts is not just important but essential if you want to live a life of fulfillment and purpose. To truly harness this power, you must cultivate a deep sense of awareness. It's about being vigilant, catching yourself when your mind starts to drift toward negativity or doubt, and consciously steering it back to a place of positivity and possibility. This is not an easy task, especially in a world where we are constantly bombarded with messages of fear and limitation. However, it is possible with practice and persistence. Start by observing your thoughts without judgment. Notice the patterns that emerge, the habitual thoughts that seem to dominate your mental landscape. Once you become aware of these patterns, you can begin to change them. One effective way to shift your mental focus is through the practice of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful force that can instantly elevate your vibration and align your thoughts with abundance. By regularly acknowledging the blessings in your life, no matter how small, you train your mind to focus on the good rather than the bad. This shift in focus can have a profound impact on your overall well-being and can help you attract more of what you want into your life. Another powerful tool in mastering your thoughts is the power of intention. Setting clear, focused intentions for what you want to achieve in life is like planting seeds in the fertile soil of your mind. These intentions, when nurtured with positive thoughts and emotions, will grow into the reality you desire. However, it's crucial that your intentions are clear and specific. Vague or half-hearted intentions will yield equally vague results. Be bold in your desires and believe that you are worthy of achieving them. It's also important to surround yourself with influences that support and uplift your mental state. This includes the people you associate with, the content you consume, and the environments you frequent. Negative influences can easily drag you down, making it harder to maintain a positive mental focus. On the other hand, positive influences can inspire and motivate you, helping you stay aligned with your highest intentions. As you continue to refine your thought process, you'll begin to notice a shift in your external circumstances. This is not a coincidence, but a direct reflection of the internal work you've been doing. The more you align your thoughts with your desires, the more your reality will begin to reflect those desires. This is the true essence of living a limitless life, one where you are not constrained by circumstances but empowered by your ability to create them. In conclusion, the power to create the life you desire lies within you. By taking control of your thoughts, you are taking control of your destiny. This is not a passive process but an active one that requires your full participation. It is a journey of self-mastery where the rewards are not just material success, but also a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose. As you continue to cultivate this mental discipline, you will find that you are not limited by external circumstances, but rather you are empowered to create the reality you desire. Let's take a moment to ensure you don't miss out on future content that can help you on your journey. If you found value in today's discussion, please like this video. Your support helps this message reach others who could benefit from it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more inspiring teachings and insights that can help you take control of your thoughts and your life. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all the latest content. It's a simple way to stay connected and ensure you're always feeding your mind with positive, empowering thoughts. Additionally, if you know someone who could use a little inspiration, share this video with them. You never know how much a simple share can impact someone's life. If you want to stay even more connected, hit the notification bell after subscribing. That way, you'll be the first to know when new videos are posted. It's an easy way to keep the momentum going and continue building on what you've learned today. Lastly, leave a comment below. Share your thoughts, experiences, or even any questions you might have. Engaging with others in the comments can be a great way to deepen your understanding and keep the conversation going. Your insights could be just what someone else needs to hear. Thank you for being part of this journey today. Your commitment to mastering your thoughts is the first step toward becoming truly limitless. Keep investing in your mind, and the results will speak for themselves.